Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Just finished up this blacked out 2019 Ram 2500. This is the blacked out truck in the factory, so we didn't have to black out all the chrome. Makes the build go a lot quicker and easier. So we started out with our three-piece bumper. What we did is we did the center section matte, and then we color matched our wings, and then we did the Midnight Series rigid, so it keeps it that blacked out look. Really cool how, when you do the matte blacks and the blacks, I've been playing with those kind of color combinations on trucks clear back from the 15 years ago. So come up here, we got a 5 to 6 inch kit. We did the matte black suspension on this, and then of course we got our Kelderman tuned RAPTOR shocks. Obviously really cool because it's black and it's got the kind of the brushed aluminum look on the stickers. They're going to match up with the tires, and then also with the bolts that we put in our radius arms. Cool thing about the radius arms, we still retain that eccentric bolt, so it's super easy to line these trucks. So I went with a 22-inch set of American Force wheels. Went with a little bit of a machine look on the matte black wheels. Makes everything really pop. Come over here, we painted the badges. Got rid of the red on the heavy duty, which that red really sticks out. Looks a lot better when it's blacked out. Come over here, we got our Kelderman badge that we're doing on all our Signature Series trucks now. You come over here to the rear, we replaced the factory 4-link bars with our heavy duty trailing arms. And we used a large airbag on this one, which is the same as like we use on all the way up to our 450s. So carry capacity, this thing is not gonna squat no matter what you put on the back of this thing. So here we got the MBRP catback exhaust. This is a black version. It's exclusive to Kelderman. It is available for all you Dodge guys who want to go with the black exhaust. Give us a call, we can hook you up. The tail section of this truck is just awesome. So we got popped out the tail lights, masked out the center section here, and put a little bit of matte clear on it. And then obviously you can see we've color matched the wings on our Bravo Series bumpers here. Got the center section matte. So, and we also worked on the rear badge here to matte that out to match the center section. So just looks just awesome where you got the gloss black, the matte, everything's kind of matched together, and then the Midnight Series rigids just really makes this thing pop. So this truck is actually available for sale at Cummins Country in Elkhorn, Wisconsin. So if you're looking for a really nice, badass black Ram, give them a call, they'll hook you up.